Alrighty, so you're probably saying, what's the purpose of a liner in your door or anywhere in your vehicle? It's for protection, especially on resales. If you're gonna trade, sell it in. Sometimes, like if you have kids and they spill drinks, it's in this liner, and then you can easily remove it from the door with the drink in here. With the door, sometimes the bottom part on the regular door there, it'll have some cracks. So if the soda spills or whatever, if you put something here that bursts from the heat, you know, something oil, say if you got hand cleaner or oil thing or something, it just protects the door in this area here from just getting bad. That's all. It's a good protection, and they're usually not that expensive. This one here is for the 4 doors, and we're gonna see what it looks like before and after. Sometimes the liner, they'll have something in here to hold the bottle better. But again, a lot of this stuff, like I have dashboard covers to protect the sun from cracking the dashboard. And again, you know, I get the floor mats that you've seen that I had put in the vehicles. It's to protect the rug. Easy to lift up if someone spills a soda or you get snow melt or dirt. And then on a resale, you know, you want to resell the car. So this is a pretty good rubberized material. It's not bad. All right, let's go check it out on the door. And this will be in the description. The link will be in the description, but that just shows you Maxzina door side storage. And this is from a 2024 on up. Okay, like I was telling you, you know, the floor mats, they protect the other older floor mats are in the back, but this is, I'm just telling you, just got the lip here. All right, this looks perfectly there. And you can see my mother uses that there. Keeps it from scratching. But like I said, it's always good to have something to protect your vehicle, especially on a resale. It's hard with this type of vehicle to get seat covers, only because this has air conditioning seats up in the front. And you know, with this being, I think it's leather or vinyl or something, it's bad because when you use this a lot, you know, you're gonna wear, rip, and everything. Of course, this car does not get used at all like that. Same thing with the dashboard cover. It does not have a dashboard cover yet, which in the future we're gonna get one. That keeps from, especially if you leave your car outside, it keeps it from dry rotting and everything. And as you can see, we do have other liners in here and other products, which was the extra storage thing with a liner in there. So now you know, and I'll show you how this one will work here. Okay, you're gonna hear me use the word modification a lot. A modification is something called when anytime you add something to your car, so you're modifying it there. But say if something was to spill in there, okay, which I'm gonna go get me a bottle of water real quick. All right, I went to a fast food restaurant. We'll just assume this is their water there. Of course, you can see the sloppiness and the plainness of it. Someone squeezes it, something bursts, you're committed to that door. With the liner, it is an easy access pull out and just pull in. So let's get this in here, right there. Oh. All right, you see it has to go even beyond. So even beyond that coverage right there, you are getting, it's going in there deep. I'm trying to get you some good lighting in here, but you can see that part goes in there. And it's real simple. This is the most simplest modification that you can do to a vehicle. That slips in there. And you just got to play with it. And it will get inside the groove of the door. Go there. Push it there. push it there, and you see it's going underneath the lip. You got a little lip here, and look, you couldn't even tell that that was something different. Now, if my kid spills something, I'm not ruining the door itself, and it's being protected for being scratched and everything. So now my mother's coupons are going there. You know, you can always put your water bottle there. But say if you had something in there and it just broke. With the liner, you can pull this liner out, easily clean it, and put it back. Trust me, over time, you're going to be putting stuff in here that eventually will break and get gooey. If you had a soda from the store, and it's going back and forth with an open lid, that'll spill back here. You're protected with the liner and stuff. Easy to pull out, clean, 1, 2, 3. So that fits in there real good. So let's go do the back doors. All right, you can see the back door ready. You know, father keeps his water bottle in there. And then I just look for the one for the back door. And that looks like it belongs right there. And take this water bottle out. And put that in here. And it literally, and there we go. And you have yourself a liner. There it is. Then I can put his water bottle back there. All right, so let me do the other two side. Again, the link will be in the description. It fits in perfectly underneath the lip here, especially if you have kids. These liners, again, are well worth it. Now, another thing I do like about the liner here is that this is rubbery and it's not the plastic that's underneath here. So, of course, your drinks and stuff will hold better on the rubber. And it has little marks down there for gripping and stuff. But, again, this holds better than the plastic that's in there. And the plastic, it'll slide. So, you know, you got something. But there it is right there. Easily put in. And yeah, that's it. So if you're looking for something that's really simple and to modify, something that makes your car just a little bit overall stay in the value of it, check out those liners, those door liners. Again, link will be in the description. Until the next video, guys, take it easy.